Today, we will learn about soldering tools and soldering techniques. Firstly, let's learn the types of soldering tools. Soldering flux is mainly used to prepare the metal surfaces before soldering by cleaning and removing any oxides and impurities. Solder sucker is a device used to remove molten solder from a joint. Solder wire is used to connect and make electrical connections between metal parts and PCBs. Soldering stand used to rest the hot soldering iron when not used, preventing accidents and damage to the work surface. Soldering iron uses high temperatures to heat metal alloys to their melting point, allowing the operator to join two pieces of metal to each other. Sponge is used as cleaning method to eliminate excess in any soldering job. Plier is used for twisting wires or gripping something around. Wire cutter is used to properly cut either wire or cable with minimal damage to the insulation or internal conductors of the wire or cable. Circuit board holder is used to secure and hold a circuit board in place while you work on it. Next, through this video, we will learn about some soldering techniques. This video shows a connection between microphone and wire using solder. Step 1. Bend leg of component with wire using long nose plier. Step 2. Then soldering the part of connection using soldering iron and solder. Another way, place a little solder on wire, then place it on leg of component, then add a solder again as shown in video. Second technique is a making connection between two wires. Step 1. Remove cable insulator, then bend the two wires using long nose plier. Step 2. Add solder along the connection. Next is about soldering component on a PCB board. Firstly, use PCB holder to hold PCB board. Secondly, insert component on the PCB board. Thirdly, make sure soldering iron is ready to use. And lastly, place a soldering iron near the component leg, then apply solder to do soldering process. This video shows a desoldering process using solder sucker.